Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Bright. Here's 18 escape, engine line on, or sometimes no power, and then transmission gear shift does not go off for a fifth gear, and then low speed is fine, does not go high speed, and then not enough power to accelerating. It's hard to say first engine or transmission problem. You guys see that it's the engine light on and the engine idle. I pulled the code P0087 fuel rail pressure too low. There are possible couple of reasons why is the engine light on P0087. Possibly fuel pump problem and the fuel line leak, and the sensor itself also clog the fuel filter. Today I'm going to show how to check it and then why is low or fuel pressure light on. And I open the pit data. This shows when engine light was on. Mileage is 145 kilometers, closed loop, and then pretty much normal temperatures. Engine coolant temperature 206 Fahrenheit, and the short term is pretty much high 28, caused low fuel pressure, and then speed is 12, and the fuel rail pressure 72 psi. I opened the data FLP and FRP. FLP is actual pressure, or FRP, and then FRP and FLP, DSD means engine desired pressure. So I opened the 4 pit data and the load test. Once the engine starting and then idle and then just low speed, and then fuel rail and fuel line, and both of the almost close to the engine desire, but this accelerating and then goes up the high speed. I try to go high speed. Once the accelerating is dropped, the high pressure rail pressure is so much dropped. The desire is 600 over, but the actual fuel rail is 80 something else, only 85, 83. But the engine light was on, it shows 72 psi only. That means engine desired over 500 or 600 psi, but it's actual fuel rail pressure after the fuel pump is only 70 or 80 psi. That's why not enough fuel power, fuel pressure. That's why not enough goes to the power to high speed, and the engine jerking, and the engine so much struggling. I verified the fuel rail side high pressure is too much low, and then caused something problem after high pressure pump. And I'm going to show how to check mechanically problem. This video show 18 escape, mostly similar to the Fusion 1.5 EcoBoost. Remove wiper arm cover, and then remove wiper arm nut. This one is the 15 millimeter. When you remove wiper arm, just push down gently, and then it comes out so much easy. And then it shows which side under the wiper arm. And then remove brake reservoir, 2 screws. And then remove C-clip. There's 2 cowl cover on the upper side and lower side. It together with the C-clip, and then remove C-clip and lift up the upside cowl cover, the windshield side. And then downside cowl cover has 10 millimeter bolts both sides. And then remove lower cowl cover. Now some of the car has engine cover. Remove engine cover. Now can see that engine high side fuel pump located over the exhaust camshaft. That's why some of the car is engine cover. And then also you guys see that engine fuel pump mount to the back of the engine. Remove this pure high pressure side electric connector, and then loose and remove pure line from the pure rail to the pure pump. And then there are 2 mount bolt, T30, and then you guys see the T32 mount bolt, and then using the socket, and then this mount 2 bolt. Wiggling high pressure pump, and then remove a whole high pressure pump. I found that problem worn out too much high pressure pump tap it also high pressure pump and the pumping area is worn out and damaged. And then inspect the exhaust camshaft carefully. Look at that is camshaft pumping fuel pump, and then usually worn out camshaft lobe also damaged. There are so much expensive labor and then 16.5 labor time. I'm gonna quick shows how to replace the camshaft. There are so many works, and then so many work. It's a vacuum line, and then vacuum pump, injectors, valve covers. This one is 1.5 escape, and then mostly similar to the Fusion 1.5 engine. Once the engine line 10087, and then you guys verify the camshaft lobe, and then fuel pump tap is also damaged. You should replace the whole exhaust camshaft and then tap it and high pressure pump. This one is a small engine, but it's last work. High pressure pump located at the top of the engine exhaust camshaft, and the fuel line take out from the firewall, and then remove that whole high pressure pump. And then also there are so many jobs, and then this type of the so complicated engine. Once first the guys first starting this job, I did so many times, and then even engine shock block replacement, and then head job, and also camshaft job. Look at that. This is so really why so much worn out and damaged camshaft, tap it or camshaft. I think its oil is so much important. Once the oil dirty and then not change often and regularly, and oil sludgy, clogged, or oil passage and then not lubricate to the exhaust cam lobe and the cam pumping tap it, and that's why it's heating up the damaged both tap it and exhaust cam lobe. There are so much work, and then access timing belt, and then needed to remove front timing cover and the injector and the valve cover and the vacuum pump line and alternator. And then once you replace the timing belt, also remove a starter motor, install the special tool, and then need also special tool front side and then back side to hold the camshaft tool. The 1.6 is the same engine. I access now mostly camshaft, and then now this unit does not need to replace the whole timing belt, so I just try the camshaft and high pressure pump. There are less work than timing belt to hold replaced with the camshaft. Inside the cam phaser has lots of oil accumulator, so you guys remove cam phaser gear, put some of the oil or oil paper under the this area, because oil dripping so much dripping. And now ready to the this housing, high pressure pump housing is a mega cap. This was a special glue, so you guys need heating up the heating gun. And then now finally remove a camshaft cap bolt. Workshop says once you guys replace this one using the new bolt, and also new camshaft need to adjust the cam clearance. There are inside specific shows thickness. You guys should check valve clearance. And when you install the new camshaft, slightly counterclockwise 30 degree or 45 degree, and then install the valve camshaft cap specific sequence right here, and then rotate this one cam phaser gear, and then pretty rotating, not even touching and seizing. And then now setting the timing and also setting the special tool, front side, back side camshaft holder, and then a cam phaser holder, and now setting timing belt. I told you this one is not replace the whole timing belt, so as much as you marked, and then you can assembly. I replaced the camshaft and tappet and high pressure pump. I'm sure how it works. Once the engine rotates, and then exhaust camshaft has a triangle type lobe, and the lobe up and down pumping to the high pressure pump, and then it make high pressure to the high pressure injector. Now I already placed this part, and then now the engine running is fine. I'm gonna show load test how perfectly working data. Before you guys load test, once the timing resetting, needed to misfire monitoring correction profile. And then now shows again 4 feet fuel rail pressure and the fuel line pressure and then desire also. Look at that engine is running, and I'm load test, and then low pressure side mostly same, and desire and then actual FLP fuel line, that means the fuel pump inside the fuel tank is mostly is good, and then usually 60-80 is good. Also high pressure rail side fuel rail FRP, this is similar to the pure desire. Pure desire usually 300 over the 1000. It depends on how much load. You guys have learned how to just monitoring pure rail pressure and the pure line pressure data. Mostly, usually code set P0087, and then but some of car also P0066. Also same things, the rail pressure too low when engine starting. But it's the same thing. You guys can monitor the fixed car. Thank you for watching.